Introducing Plankypro Walk the Plank Mousetrap, an alternative choice to traditional mousetraps. This new set now includes a durable bucket lid and bait tunnel specifically designed for small rodents. The bait tunnel ensures the mice cannot jump sideways or leap back to the edge of the bucket. The lid prevents the rodent from jumping out once it is caught. The trap auto-resets after catching the mice without having to bait repeatedly. Plankypro trap is made out of durable ABS plastic, which is impact resistant, and it will last you a lifetime. Here's how to set up the Plankypro Mousetrap. First, assemble the bait tunnel in the universal body. Then, bait the end of the tunnel with peanut butter and place the trap on the rim of the bucket. Next, calibrate the trap by pushing the plastic block towards the edge of the plank. You can adjust the tension screw so that the plastic block falls only once it reaches half or 3/4 of the way of the plank. To decrease the triggering distance, rotate the screw clockwise. And to increase the triggering distance, rotate it counterclockwise. The distance varies on the size of your rodent, so it's crucial you calibrate according to your rodent's size. After that, open the wooden ramp and tighten the screws to make sure it's rigid. Lastly, close the lid and place the wooden ramp on the notch of the universal body, making sure it is pressed down firmly. For maximum effectiveness, set up the trap where there are a lot of rodent activities and make sure there is no other food source. You can also place seeds inside the bucket to lure the rodents. After you have caught the mice, simply release them away from your property. If necessary, reapply the bait and it's ready to use again. Plankypro is the right choice for your rodent problems.